Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use music stickers on TikTok. So here I've already opened the TikTok app. You can start by clicking on the search icon at the top right corner, the magnifying glass icon, and then you can search for the specific songs that you want, specific music. I'm going to just type in the artist. You can click on enter. Now here, go to the sounds tab, and here you can see there are lots of song options or music options that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can click on the songs, and there will be this option, add to stories. So just tap on that, and now this is the music stickers. You can adjust the size and also the place it to however you like. Okay, now you can just update it, click on your story, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.